morning, guys. Guess what, guys? I'm in the metro. Balik Maynila po ako, guys. Nandito na lang kami sa Maynila. Nasa Mandaluyong pala kami, guys, ngayon. Mandaluyong City. Hello, guys. Kumusta kayo? Dito kami ngayon sa event ngayon. Atinan namin. Maganda tong event na to. Marami tayong mamimit ngayon ng mga vloggers din. So, let's see, guys, kung ano yung event na to. Tingnan natin. Dami ng pila ngayon, no? Aga na kami. Ang tao. May mga estudyante pa, oh. Mga business school siguro ito. Dami estudyante, oh. Nakapila talaga sila. Mga requirements sa kanila mag-attend ng ganito. Ayan. STI. Student ng mga taga-STI. Pag naka-online ka, walang problema. Re-register ka dito. Dalawa. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Hi. Hi, ID. Bablog na ako.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah.
Sir, pag sumikat ka, ha, huwag mo kalimutan.
Bagong vloggers pa lang. Thank you.
Ma'am, ID?
Ito, guys, binigay sa atin. May ganito. Mas bangka. Tapos haba ng pila, guys. So pipila kami ngayon. Rumpa. So, marami pa lang gustong umattend dito ngayon, guys. Negosyo, tourism. So marami tayong matutunan ngayon. Karamihan mga estudyante ma-attend. Ito na. Mukhang kilala ko itong nasa likod ko, guys. Napapanood ko rin to. Hello. Ayan, o. Sikat na vlogger yan, o. Ay, may meet mo yan siya. Nakikita ko yun sa Boracay. Ayun, may nakita na tayo isang vlogger dito, guys. Mamimit ngayon. By the way, guys, nasa Ayala Mall tayo, Manila Bay. Ito pala yung surrounding ngayon, guys. Isa to sa pinakamalaking mall ng Ayala in the Philippines. Kaya dito yung event magaganap. Giveaway at binibigay na t-shirt saka book pag early ka, pag maaga kang dumating, may marireceive kang t-shirt saka books saka ano rin, water. Ito dito daw. Ayan, ito na yun, guys. Kaya po yung makina.
Ano, gusto mo?
Ano? Lahat. Isa lang po. Yun, sa amin dalawa na yan. Okay.
Either book or shirt lang.
Yun, ito yung bibigay guys. Tsaka book na yan. Okay.
Ay, ikaw na
Kuha ka ng water. Tsaka water.
Okay na up? Yes po. To go up po. Thanks for
Sponsor. Namimigay sila oh. Yan, coffee ay. Coffee ay, hingi tayong coffee. Coffee pwede.
Pa-register, ma'am.
Sa amin mo na ako, dalawa tayo.
Hello po, hi vlog.
Hello.
Hello po, hi Fern Coffee.
Yeah, sige.
Hi, hello po. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
Hi vlog.
Welcome to our first
Here you go. Sir, try nyo.
Okay, kasama ko ta.
Kasama.
Kasama niyo po si ma'am.
Register na lang.
Maraming mga sponsor ngayon dito guys. So, isa dito, itong mga pinapakita ko sa inyo. Galing na ito guys. Tingnan itong bike na to guys. Galing naman. Made of bamboo. Ganda sir oh. Ganda.
Gawang Pinoy.
Ganda. Wow. Pati yan oh. Gawang Pinoy guys. Bike. Sir, magkano naman to sir?
Yung batalya nag-start sa 35.
35,000? Wow!
Tapos yung build, the range siya, depende sa parts mo, 55 to 65.
Ganda.
Talagang Pinoy na Pinoy.
Pinoy, ganda. Baka makita yan sa ibang bansa. Bah, talaga naman. Thank you sir ah. Let's go. Let's go. Going intro na tayo guys.
Birch tree fortified now. Nung nagka-pandemic po, nawalan ng trabaho.
Nag-start po ang Flying Pillow as a labor pillow po talaga.
Kapit na mag-start.
Welcome to Tourism Summit 2024. This event is presented by Hanong Sigawan! May tao naman pala, di ba? Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Michelangelo mula sa GMA7 at Pipito Manaloto. Welcome po sa ating Tourism Summit. Talaga namang buhay na tayo. Lahat na nandito ng ating bisita. Nakatayo na si Ma'am. Nagulto ko nandito na. So, let's do some interviews with some of our special guests. And we're calling now Miss Susie Corpus. Hi, Susie. How are you? What's your nationality, if I may ask?
Hungarian.
Oh, how has social media influenced the marketing strategies in Philippine tourism? What can you say, Sam?
I believe the main strategy is inspiration. Because nowadays, when someone is planning a trip where to go, the first place they go is social media. And the local tourism is using it really well to inspire people to come to the Philippines in the first place. And once they decided to provide information what places to visit.
What do you think are some of the innovative ways? Because innovation is very crucial, especially now in this age that we have social media and the internet. The rule now in doing business, even in tourism, is you innovate or you evaporate. That's the only rule, right? So what do you think are some of the innovative ways that the Philippine tourism businesses can utilize using social media to attract visitors or promote destination?
I believe the main point that they should use is provide like a point of view experience, not just before social media, a lot of the advertisements were really like advertisements. But nowadays with social media, there's a lot of ways to show like point of view to real life experiences that can inspire people. For example, me, I'm a content creator myself, and I really like to just show what happens, not show an advertisement, but show my personal experience. And I think businesses on social media are really using this point of view experience to invite people to the businesses, to invite people to the Philippines by showing.
Good morning to everybody here. First off, welcome to today's biggest tourism summit. Can we give a round of applause, please, to the Department of Tourism and, of course, Go Negosyo for putting this together. How do you say this? Not just rediscover the Philippines, but together, let us love the Philippines. Yes? So, ganyan. So, without further ado, to begin with the program, I would like to marry Cristina Garcia Frasco and of course our guest of honor, First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos, to please take their seats on stage. Please take your seats. Thank you very much. And to kick off our program, it is my honor to introduce the driving force behind today's initiatives. Join me in welcoming the founder of Go Negosyo, the leader of the Private Sector Advisory Council for Jobs, and the chair of the ASEAN Business Advisory Council Philippines, Mr. Joey Concepcion.
Good morning. First of all, with their help, the Philippines can become a powerhouse in tourism. You will get to hear from them later on as the program progresses. Tourism has the potential to help MSMEs.
Please welcome the Honorable Cristina Garcia Frasco, Secretary of the Department of Tourism. The outstanding Filipino businesses and travel content creators nationwide. Your efforts, our awardees' efforts, have been pivotal in promoting a more connected and sustainable tourism sector in our country and truly have significantly shaped the country. Congratulations, Dave. Let's have your photo. Congratulations to you. We have our fourth awardee now, Mr. J.M. Banquisho.
Yun yung kanina?
Yung kanina, oh.
Let's please in, everyone. We congratulate Mr. Renzo Maano. Congratulations to Richelle Lagay of When in Rizal. Pop Inc., Mr. Philip Ino Purino. For his inspiring journey from promoting experience-focused, sustainable flavors and local ingredients. Congratulations to you, Ms. Maria Angela Sale, a food business that embraces Ilocano culture and family value practices. Congratulations to you, Mr. Xavier Mercado, and Learning Site. We congratulate Mr. Junao Aya, Ms. Roger Wenceslao. We congratulate once again Architect Ronnie Human. Congratulations, Rochelle. And finally, in recognition of her dedication to Philippine tourism and embracing the Philippines as her true home, she inspires travelers to experience the country's rich culture and warm people. Here is Susie Corpus Fazekas of Susie in the Philippines. And now let's invite all of our content creator awardees to please proceed center stage. Take a seat, street leader. She has earned this year's Tourism Excellence Award. We present the president of Art Travel Express Inc., Miss Maria Paz Alberto. Congratulations. They ask our presenters to once again take their seat and all their awards.
Okay, stop mo.
Now can we ask everyone to make a heart with your hands? A heart? Here's to love the Philippines. Make a heart and smile. Get that heart up. Smile. much. Please take your seats. To all of our guests, our Go Negociantes, you may now take your seats.
To the Philippines, you will be able to see all these beautiful
Hi, Susie.
attractions.
Subscriber ako. Yeah, bagong vlog lang. Kasi video mo kami. Yung tatlo.
Lagi siya nag-watch ng
Gusto ko
vlog.
itong dalawa yung couple. Hello! Hi! Paborito ko itong vlog.
Masaya na siya, nakita ka niya.
Yeah. Napanood ka namin kanina. Yeah. Hello. Yung channel for likes and subscribe.
So that's good. But how do you
Yung channel?
so how do you make it happen? So more people will be using your platform. Very
Thank you, Susie.
Nakita ko at congratulations sa award.
right now, because our model is B2G and B2B, largely B2G and virtual life. So ang mga kliyente ninyo mga LGU, okay?
Uwi na kayo? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ganda. Parang matika. Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Video kagad kami guys. Paborito kong isa sa vlogger na subscribe ko.
Nag-jeep po kami
Titingnan po natin sila as our partners and partners. Sa market administration po, yung layunin natin ay mas lumawak pa yung mga opportunities.
Good afternoon sa mga good afternoon! Ayan, hope you guys are all enjoying, of course, our Tourism Summit for Go Negosyo 2024. My name is Sam YG. I'm gonna be your host for this afternoon. Ako mismo sobrang saya na nandito ako, no? Kasi, hello! Good afternoon!
Good afternoon na ba?
Yes, tumingin ako sa relo ko.
Ang dami.
Just to be sure.
You know, Chef, gastronomy speaking.
Are you sure? It's almost lunchtime. Hindi na gutom? Yes, gutom? Okay, ako din. But, okay, just para may konting energy na dito, let's...
National Museum of Philippines, karaniwang naalala ng mga tao ay aking last flyer. Kasi kapag nag-field trip nung tayo ay nung bata
chocolate dito?
Yeah, masarap.
Yeah, some? Has anybody tried Oro
Mahal lang.
before? Oro chocolate?
Hi everyone!
Magandang tanghali po. I'm Vince.
I'm Yosh, and kami yung guys behind the Poor Traveler Vlogs.
How's it going, everyone?
Guys, may nice spot ako dito na vlogger. Ano to na vlogger guys? Maraming nanonood. Subscriber ako nito. Si Kulas, Becoming Filipino. Ayan siya guys, oh. Ayan siya, oh. Kulas, oh. Ayan si Kulas. Celebrity na yan, si Kulas. Celebrity. Becoming Filipino. Marami na nagpapapicture dyan. Kulas! Kagyan di oro ko. Bugo, bugo. Layo pa. Layo.
Nice to see you. I'm just gonna do a cheat here first. Just a picture.
Kyle, Kulas, Zimmerman. Kyle.
Alright, do I go straight into this, or do you make Chica, or what's up?
I like Chica. I Chica.
Mananakit ulit tayo. Para alam nyo na hindi lip sync. Come on, people, sing with me.